Hey there. Welcome back to another quick and fun tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to create an awesome sales email pipeline in just a few simple steps using Doodlingo. And here's a pro tip. To think like a top executive, you don't have to excel at just one thing, but understand the workflows and practice decision-making. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the Doodlingo menu and click on Get Started. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's super easy. Next, we're going to create some user personas. This is where you define your target audience. Simply fill in the details or just copy-paste relevant information from a LinkedIn profile. You can always add more details later to make it even more personalized. Once you've filled in the details, just hit the Generate button. Doodlingo will do its magic and create your personas. Now for the fun part, creating a sales email sequence. Navigate to Activity, and then the Sales Email Sequence section. Choose one of the personas you just created, and click Generate. Doodlingo will generate a series of emails tailored to your user or customer persona. These emails include an initial outreach, follow-up emails, a proposal, negotiation emails, a closing email, and even a post-sale follow-up. The initial outreach email introduces yourself and your company, expressing interest in potential collaboration. The first follow-up email is sent if you don't get a response, reminding the recipient about your previous email and offering to schedule a call. The second follow-up checks if they had a chance to review your emails and asks if they need more information. The third follow-up touches base once more, expressing continued interest in collaboration. If the recipient shows interest, you can send a proposal email with a detailed proposal attached. The negotiation email discusses any points of clarification or adjustments to the proposal. The closing email finalizes the deal, attaching the final contract for signature. After the sale, the post-sale follow-up email checks in with the customer, requesting feedback and offering further assistance. Of course, you can customize and enhance these emails to fit your style. Add more details, tweak the text, and make it truly yours. Save different sequences for different users to ensure a personalized approach. And there you have it. A complete sales email pipeline in just a few minutes. With Doodlingo, it's that easy. Thanks for watching.